Squash vine borers are coming to New York very soon, and come mid-June, these moth, which are black and red color, are going to be coming in, and they are going to take out all your plants if you're not ready. Now, growing them vertically right here, this is the best chance, in my opinion and in my experience, you're going to stand against these bugs. Especially if you're growing squash, they love that bright yellow color. You're growing zucchini, they'll love that. You're growing pumpkin, they love that. You have a garden, they love it. And they're going to last all the way to the end of July. So from mid-June to all the way to the end of July, these bugs will take out your plant easily. And I know some people say, wrap the main stem with aluminum foil or tape or all that. Trust me, I did all that. One time I wrapped the whole base. The bug came in from the top, laid the egg from the top, and it ate right through. When I realized my leaves and all my plant was dying, when I took out the wrap, there were two of them inside. It's very hard to stop the squash vine borers. This is one of the best way. If you see right here, you see everything clear. As soon as you see a brown spot or a yellow spot in your leaf, you come inside here and you start checking. See if there's a red dot, which is their egg. Check underneath the leaf. They normally lay the eggs underneath the leaves. They lay their eggs right here on the stem. They lay in main stem. Sometimes on the fruit. They lay their eggs literally all over from this plant. They could lay an egg. And everybody has their theory against fighting off the squash vine borers. I'm going to tell you based off of my experience for years battling these guys, they're tough. They're like, have you seen the movie The Predator? They're like the Predator. So there's a lot of spray, and people will say to sprinkle all these stuff. Listen, I went in my cabinet and I sprinkle everything. All my seasoning I sprinkle, from black pepper to cayenne pepper to neem oil. Listen, I sprayed soap water. I sprayed a lot of things. I definitely think the neem oil helped a bit. So I would suggest you guys spray neem oil underneath of your leaves and on all the main stems on the branch. But spray this in the evening time. I would do it twice a week, especially from June to July. I would spray and I will check my garden every single day, or every chance you get, you have to come in and check. Make sure your garden is clean. There's nothing on there. Make sure if you have any dead leaves, prune them out. Keep your garden clean. Soon as you see your leaves start getting brown spot and stuff, they'll already attack. You want to make sure you check exactly where they're at and pull them out. You could normally do a surgery and get them out and save your plants. So the good thing about it, these plants, you could save your plants. I know some people say grow your squash on the ground and you could bury the roots as it's grown, because the plant will produce a lot more than one root, which is true. But the only downfall about that is that the plant will run, and while you're getting attacked, you have to cover right through, and that plant will reach at least about 6 to 8 feet long. And I have multiple plants. I cannot do about 30 plants, running all the way on the ground, taking over 6 spots and trying to save all the roots. And then the plant's gonna get attacked about 2-3 times. So to me, it does not make sense that way. The only thing that makes sense is keeping your garden clean, growing it vertically like I'm doing right now. You get a best chance to see it. You just have to make sure you're coming in here and paying attention and watching your leaves. Check every single day, make sure there is no red dots around, and watch out for the squash vine borers. They're black and red. You got to make sure if you see any sign of them, do what you got to do, because you got to get rid of them right away. Last year I did my best. Many years before, they took out about 10 plants. I think last year I lost about 6 plants maybe, so that was definitely progress. Listen, I gotta tell you, there's tons of stuff that they recommend to stop it, but a lot of the stuff don't work. A lot of injecting your plants and stuff, a lot of them don't work. Maybe with some people they got lucky and it worked, which is amazing. God bless you if it works. Me, I don't know. I feel like I got the toughest squash vine borers maybe around here. They attack non-stop. All right, thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. Any question, comment below. Grow your squash and zucchini plant vertically.